Hi everyone, my name is Parth Sahani and welcome to Daily Apple Sessions. In this new series, I'm sharing a nugget of inspiration and insight every weekday, Monday through Friday, to help you get further on your success journey and design an exceptional life for yourself. So, let's get started. Giving others the benefit of the doubt. When we experience other people's screwed up and skewed up behaviors and actions and their awfulness and rudeness, we easily get hurt, offended, and defensive. We are quick towards judging others and take things personally. We stew, we shower them with expletives, we gossip about them. Instead of taking things to heart and feeling wounded, we need to give others the benefit of the doubt. As Rochelle E. Goodrich points out, quote, "When it comes to the crusty behavior of some people, give them the benefit of the doubt. They may be drowning right before your eyes, but you can't see it. And you would never ask someone to drown with a smile on his face." If there's something that has pissed you off and you're constantly ruminating about it, let it go. We're not perfect beings either. We're not gods or accomplished sages. We are humans after all, and it's in our nature to make mistakes and errors. We've all jaywalked, we've all cut in line, we've all spoken with disrespect and fluffy attitude, we've all been petty, we've all been jealous. Then why do we get mad when other people do the same thing? So forgive others in the same way you forgive yourself. Like we are lenient and patient with our own misaligned behaviors and actions, we need to be the same with other people too. We need to give them the benefit of the doubt as well, both in good times and bad. I hope you enjoyed that insight. If you want more ideas and insights rooted in personal development, philosophy, and timeless wisdom, in fact, a calendar worth of them, I encourage you to get my new book, The Daily Apple, 366 Meditations on Growth, Persistence, and the Art of Exceptional Living at your favorite bookstore. Like an apple a day that helps you become healthier and vital, each meditation has been designed to offer you positive information and inspiration to nudge you a little towards your better, wiser, and more well-rounded self every single day. Thank you for your time and attention, and I'll talk to you soon.